Hi, I'm Charlie from Charnwood, and this is the W824 Midi lathe. It's our best-selling lathe, which can accomplish most of the projects turners are likely to try. It has electronic variable speed control and can accept bowl blanks up to 12 inches in diameter. The bed of the lathe is one-piece precision ground cast iron, giving 14 inches between centres when working with our heavy-duty drives, which are supplied as standard. Setting the correct spindle speed is quickly achieved with the turn of a dial. The speed of the spindle can be read off a backlit digital screen. There are two speed ranges to choose from, quickly set by changing the drive belt onto a different pulley set. When starting off with a large unbalanced bowl, it is important to slow the speed down, and the W824 has a low speed of 500 RPM. The tool rest banjo is a cam lock design for rapid adjustments. The tool rest itself is our ever popular round bar made from hardened steel. The headstock spindle is hollow to allow centres to be easily knocked out. The tailstock quill is also hollow to allow long hole boring and has automatic centre removal when winding the quill back to the 0 position. There is an engraved scale on the quill to measure the drilling depth when a drill chuck is mounted in the tailstock. To allow for curated decorations to be applied or piercings to be made, the headstock spindle has a 24-position indexing system. This allows the spindle to be locked in 15-degree intervals around a rotation. It comes supplied with a drive and tail centre, which are both 2 Morse taper, a knockout bar, a 6-inch tool rest with 5/8-inch shank post, a 3-inch diameter faceplate, onboard tool holder, carrying handles, and cable tidy.